Okay guys, can anybody guess what I have right here? Or what I'm about to show you guys? It's something I've been wanting for a long time, and I finally broke down and bought it. And I'm so happy I did, and I'm going to show you what it is. Okay. I finally broke down and got the largest easypress. I usually unbox it. I mean, actually open the box in front of the camera. It's such a big box, I just didn't have the space here. So, but this is it, how it came though. I'm not opening anything else yet. So let's move this. It is quite heavier than the other ones I've been used to. So you got your base here, your heat protective base, which I'm always thankful they include this. And then, sorry, I was going to pick up quite a bit on the mic. Your cable here. And I love the quality of Cricut stuff. That's the reason why I stick with them and whatever. It's just amazing. This is a very heavy duty cable. Go ahead and plug it on in. Hopefully it didn't turn on, which it shouldn't. All right. And I got the mint one, which I love that color. All right. I wish my machine was mint. When I bought my machine, they didn't have any other colors, except well, they had the blue. But mint hadn't come out yet, and no longer, like maybe a month or so, maybe 2 months after I bought it, it came out with the mint. I was kind of disappointed, but because I have the blue one is what I have right now. All right, so we have all this done. So we'll put that there for now. Here's your little guide here they give you, your startup guide. And it's telling you to register your products so you can get them warranty. So, nice little guide. So then, of course, I had to get the mat that matches. Which is this. I just can't believe how big this thing is. I was not expecting this. So, that'll lay down eventually. So let's do the first project here real fast. Oh, everything's falling. I don't have a lot of space. All right. So we need to go to our heat guide, remember? If you guys look in the description, if you don't have done it yet, make sure you look in the description. I have a link to the heat guide and then bookmark it so it's easy for you to find. So let's go to bookmarks, heat guide, and we're using the easypress 2. They gave us this little iron-on piece here, which is the glitter iron-on. So we'll look for that. There's glitter. And it's a canvas bag, cotton canvas. And we're going to be using the mat. Hit apply. So we need 270 for 30 seconds, warm peel, flip and press for another 16 seconds also before we peel it off. So turn it on. 270. For 30 seconds, already set. I'm gonna move this off my mat here though because I don't want it to be doing anything damage. Being such a quick 30 seconds, I think my Cricut cut mat here will be okay because this is such a thick thing anyways. So move this out of the way. And here's our canvas bag we're going to be using to do it on. We got it all laid out there. While it's warming up, let's try to accomplish two things at once. Well, we're going to kind of iron this out. And then we'll put our Cricut logo here. I really don't care if it's perfectly straight or not. And since I already bought this, I have my protective mat, or sheet really, for this. And we're almost up to temperature. All right, so we're up to temperature. Let's lay it on there. Light pressure, and we'll start the timer. All right, time is up. And we're supposed to do a warm peel. But remember, we need to do 15 seconds in the back though. So you'll flip your project. Get a protective sheet again. Light pressure again in 15 seconds. All right, so now we can remove this. Flip it back over. Let it cool just for a second. I know it says, you know, you could probably go ahead and peel it now. But I like for my products to just be warm, which is what it says to do anyways. Feels pretty cool. Let's try this now. Let's just go slow. Because now if an area is ever trying to pull up, you just put that back down and you can put your protective sheet on there and repress. But I don't anticipate that. All right, that turned out amazing. I absolutely love Cricut products. They're easypress, I mean everything. Even the vinyl is really good. All right, so I'm very pleased with this. I'm excited to try more products and projects out with the easypress, the large one. And so if you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Also share it across your social media. That helps grow my channel. And don't forget the links in the description. There's some friends that I'd like to help support. And there's some links to my Facebook group. Make sure you become a member of it. All right, see you guys in the next video. Bye.